LIT Alumni Association presents Jewels of LIT Awards 2018, sponsored by LA's Totally Awesome.
Mr. Arun Srivastav is an alumnus of 1983, joined 27th batch of prestigious Bhabha Atomic Research Center Training School, 1-year course in nuclear engineering, thus enriching from chemical engineering to nuclear engineering.
I'm Arun Srivastav, working for Department of Atomic Energy. Since I did all these, I never knew that people remotely were observing me. And one fine day in 1999, I got a call from the Secretary of the Department of Atomic Energy who requested me to come and work with him. This changed the horizon of my life. The LIT provided me the base of being a good engineer. Thereafter, the analytical capability which I picked up in LIT helped me in doing the energy system analysis. The result of this analysis were then put up to the department, and thereafter they were helpful in convincing the government of that day to initiate the dialogue for civil nuclear cooperation with the US government. The successful conclusion of the civil nuclear cooperation opened the gate for India participating in nuclear power program with the world. I became members of boards and council chairs for several mega science projects. To give a few of them, the ITER, which is one of the biggest fusion energy project being set up by 7 members of the world, which constitute half of the mankind and more than 50% of the GDP of the world. They include European Union, which itself constitute about 28 member countries, Russia, United States of America, China, Japan, Korea. Another such major project is CERN, which is being set up by the European Union. All the European countries have set up an high energy physics project, which is the Linear Collider, which is in Geneva as well as in France. I was responsible for negotiating and ensuring that India becomes associate member for this project. Another example of the mega science project where I am responsible for negotiating as well as participating is the Square Kilometer Array. This is the biggest radio astronomy project coming up in the world. This is being set up at 2 places in Australia as well as South Africa. India is building the heart of this project called Telescope Manager. In this particular project, I am holding the position of member of the board. We have completed the negotiations and now very soon going to sign the agreement. One more important project, the beauty of this project is, which is a LIGO project. This project is coming in India, unlike other projects which are outside India. This project is coming in Maharashtra in Andhra district. Here we are partnering with United States of America, and I am playing a lead role on behalf of the government as a member of the oversight committee from the department, which is the funding agency, along with the National Science Foundation of the US. Plus, in implementation of the project, I am also a member of the project management board. Apart from all these, I also look after the various intergovernmental research and development projects with various countries. I will take this opportunity to give the message to the young students who are going to graduate. I have passed from this college and I have grown to the stretcher wherever I am. Please never lose hope. I was always a mediocre student, but the hard work, perseverance has brought me to the stature where I am. Listen, understand, and then do the hard work. This is the mantra for success. If you start competing without being competitive, then you will not be successful. A peer pressure should never bring you down. It should elevate you. That is what I would say. And I would wish all the best to all of you. Thank you very much. I thank all the members of LIT Alumni for inviting me to this event and honoring me with the jewel of LIT. Thank you very much.